he says, you can't come on this block, and mentions 250, which is in reference to 250 Cleveland. And then the state views as well when he says Little Rod will basically shoot at you. He'll shoot at your fitted in front of Mr. Ryan, who throws up the YSL sign. He adopts that. He doesn't push back. And so it's a public display of, don't come over here. He will shoot you. And so the state, this is unique compared to other videos we've shown. And so the state does not believe this is cumulative and is relevant because it's a public display of do not come to this location or violence will come to you.
All right, overruled. And then what would our last one we're looking at be?
So, Your Honor, this last one ends in 568.
Okay, I see it.
4, and this is, I believe, 12 hours after the murder.
No objection to that one.
Okay. All right, so then is this the entirety of the evidence for this?
I believe they have 6 videos on the Word document.
And, Your Honor, I will have to operate those for the court because...
Okay, all right, that's fine. Let me just join the Zoom. If y'all want me to see, yeah.
That shit bothers me. Find blood and they can't see. Cause they won't speak. Heard that girl inside the bed when they on their knees. The devil on me. Let's go.
This was posted on February 21st of 2019. The murder was February 23rd. I don't know if definitively these are the firearms, but there was both assault rifle rounds and a 9mm. And so it's this, the state believes this is unique and relevant because one of the timing, and two, the person he is adding is Wooney Lee, who we've talked about earlier. And he shows both an assault rifle and a handgun in this video. So the state wanted to introduce this, given how close in time it is to the murder involving weapons of that type.
Okay, didn't we have something earlier that was being offered for the same reason?
Your Honor, that was a Instagram thread we did where I believe in, this was the one where someone was trying to buy guns.
5 or 6.
Correct,
yeah.
Your Honor.
So pick between them.
We will use this video, Your Honor, and redact. I will find that PDF page number and not use that thread.
Okay. Do we need the audio?
What thread was that? What thread was that?
It was in the 5 October Mr. Sprinkles thread. It was when the person asked, he says, I will find it and let you know.
It was one of those about, it was the one that I said was okay about the back and forth with the firearms, but. Do we need the audio?
No.
All right.
The audio, Your Honor.
All right, next.
Make no sound. Rude gang. Round. Like a block line. Ladies that thought like a stop sign. There's a whole lot of there's a whole lot of gunfire.
So, Your Honor, the state initially flagged this because we had referenced that Instagram post that says Rudy Gang, and his shoes and his comment is in similar reference to that of someone who had passed away. And so the state intended to introduce this just to show referencing that. Understand the court has previously admitted the photograph where he says that, so I understand if the court views this, would not want us to play this, but that's why the state intended to use this video.
Okay, so I
Cumulative.
would sustain a cumulative objection. Okay. Next. I mean, honestly, it's clearer in the first one than it is here, I think. But yeah, whatever, y'all choose. Your case.
Which one is the state choosing?
We'll make that decision. And let them know. Okay. Next.
Some global, you know, going worldwide. And we going big, there's no lie. Better work your move, cause I'm about to work my move. Slap with a dude. Now bitch, that what it do. Yeah, I'm on the block. Twin service.
And Your Honor,
Go ahead.
the state was using this for the gang hand signs. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so y'all already got that.
Understood,
You
Your
can
Honor.
Pick between the two, but only one of them.
Yes, Your Honor.
Next. Mr. Sharp, y'all seem to be having more fun back there than we are.
We're just reviewing some surveillance, so we're ready when it's our turn.
Okay.
We always have fun.
$20 retail block. You know, on Rudy Soul, I'm gonna pop. Cause I'm about to work my move. That's what I do. They look like Rudy.
Your Honor, the state, given the court's prior ruling, and we will.
It's going to withdraw.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. So I wanted to, those are the videos the state
Okay.
intends to introduce.
All right. All right, what's the next thing we move to?
Judge, we have many of the other witnesses. There are video interviews of some of the witnesses involved in the portion about Mr. Ryan. The state's contention, or I'm sorry, their plan is to use them only if needed as impeachment.
Okay.
We had asked the state, well, what redactions do you see that just blatantly this is not admissible?
Right.
They wanted us to, again, be the ones to go through and say which parts should be out.
Okay, y'all, I asked y'all weeks ago to get together on this, and that means at some point somebody needs to be the first one to say, well, how about this, or how about that?
And Your Honor,
Not
Ms.
to do
Abbasi and
this.
I,
You do it. You do it. Come on, y'all.
and Ms. Abbasi and I talked about this. She asked about the videos. I said, we don't believe that there's,
Where are we on it?
I told her that there's only one particular part in Mr. Mitchell, and it's when Mr. Mitchell's stepfather is talking to him about life. And I said, I don't think that that is proper. I said, if there's anything else, just let us know. If there's something specific that you are thinking of. And what her response to me was, okay, I will look at it and let you know. And she has not responded back to let us know.
Well, I could go through the ones that I have. The hard part on it is I have just timestamps. We don't have transcripts of this.
If she gives us the timestamps, we can look at the timestamps and either agree or disagree. We haven't received
This was
it.
supposed to be the day to do this.
Okay. Well, I can go through the ones that I have marked.
We don't have it.
And y'all were supposed to have gotten together on it beforehand. And the y'all at this point is not just the state,
Yes.
it's also the defense. Okay, is there something else we can do?
I think that is everything for
Okay,
Mr.
well,
Ryan.
How about one person over here on the state side get together with one person over here with Mr. Ryan right now and go outside and do that, and we'll pick up with something else.
I'll do because
All right, I don't care which one of you it is. Just one of you go work on this, and the other one stay here, and we'll do other things.
Here's my notes.